Sealed burner range tops. Before cooking for the first time, you should clean the range top thoroughly with hot water and a mild detergent. Then rinse and dry with a soft cloth. This removes any residual oil and grease from the manufacturing process. We recommend you also apply a stainless steel polish to protect the finish and add luster. Also, be sure to check that all surface burner caps are positioned correctly. Failure to position the burner parts correctly could cause flames or gas to escape and burn between parts, resulting in poor combustion or damage to your range top. Each burner on your gas range top is designed with electronic reignition, which enables the burner to relight automatically if it's accidentally extinguished. Another great feature, unique to Wolf products, is a low BTU per hour control, which delivers constant low heat output without continuous ignitions. In case of a power outage, you can relight the surface burners manually. Turn the control knob to high, then use a minimum 6-inch igniter to manually light the burner. Note, if your unit features a French top, charbroiler, or griddle, you cannot relight manually. The control knobs are positioned to correspond to the burners they regulate. The knobs on the far left regulate the burners on the left side, and conversely, the knobs on the far right regulate the burners on the right side. Each burner has full flame and simmer capabilities. All knobs are two-tiered and push to turn. One tier is used for high through low, and the second tier controls simmer. To light a burner, push down and turn the control knob counterclockwise to high. You will hear a clicking sound and see the burner ignite. Once the burner is lit, continue turning the knob counterclockwise. To select simmer, turn the burner knob to low. You will feel a stop detent in the rotation. Push down on the knob, continuing to turn it counterclockwise. This moves it to the second tier. Now select any variation within the simmer flame settings. When cooking, select a flame that is just high enough to maintain the desired cooking speed and is sized to fit the base diameter of the pan. Remember, the flame on natural gas should be blue with a deeper blue core and a minimal trace of a yellow flame. A full yellow flame indicates an improper mixture of air and gas or impurities in the gas supply to the range. If this occurs consistently, call a Wolf authorized service center. Now that you're up to speed on everything you can do with your new Wolf sealed burner range top, it's time to start cooking for yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember, with Wolf, it's easy to make any dish your own.